Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. By now, we are all obsessed with vitamin C. We want to know which vitamin C is the best in the market so that we can just incorporate that into our skincare routine. Because perhaps a vitamin C is the most potent topical antioxidant that we have. Topical application of vitamin C has so many beauty benefits, from protecting your skin from the harmful effects of UV to boosting your collagen production, to brightening your skin, to getting rid of spots and hyperpigmentation and acne marks. But if you are new to the world of vitamin C, you might have so many questions like, what ingredients are the best combinations for vitamin C? At what age should I start using vitamin C? What percentage of vitamin C should I start with? What should I not use while using vitamin C? Should I use vitamin C during the morning or the evening? If you don't use vitamin C properly, you might have adverse effects. It can even burn you. You can have reactions. We don't want that. We only want the glowing, smooth, even toned skin. So let's get started. Also, stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be revealing and reviewing my latest vitamin C serum obsession, guys. You need to know what this is. Alright, let's start with the do's of vitamin C. Number one is identify the right percentage of vitamin C for you. It doesn't matter if you are a teenager or someone in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s. Always start with a very low percentage of vitamin C. Start with something as low as 10% and then slowly work your way up to a 15 to 20% vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very strong active ingredient, so you can have reactions. You can be allergic and your skin can kind of be in a shock when first exposed to vitamin C, or if you use a vitamin C serum that is not formulated properly. Always start with a low percentage like a 10%. Now, if you have bought and if you have access to a stronger percentage of vitamin C like a 20% and you are a beginner, all you have to do is dilute your vitamin C with your moisturizer. So with your regular moisturizer, add a few drops of your vitamin C into that, mix it up and apply it on your face, and that is how you slowly introduce your vitamin C into your skincare routine. Number two, like everything else on planet Earth, you could be allergic to vitamin C. I know it sucks, but don't worry. If you are allergic to vitamin C, we have a lot of other amazing substitutes. So just to find out if you're allergic or not, always do a patch test on your arm or your jaw, somewhere on your skin, and leave that for 24 hours and wait to see if your skin is reacting or not. If your skin is not reacting, you are not allergic. If you are reacting, give that vitamin C to your mom or your sister or your dad or your brother or your neighbor. Gift it. Give it away. Number three, start very, very slowly. Now, I see a lot of people just starting with a whole vitamin C skin range, and that is too much vitamin C. It's vitamin C overload. You can burn your skin. So I recommend starting your vitamin C journey by applying vitamin C in your skincare routine just one time a week. You can choose when you want and slowly track your progress, see how your skin is reacting, and then slowly progress to twice a week, and then you can take it to thrice a week, and then make it alternate days, and then slowly progress over the course of time and take it to applying it daily in your skincare routine. And when you are just starting with vitamin C, don't buy the whole complete skincare vitamin C range that a lot of brands have. Don't do the vitamin C face wash with the vitamin C toner, with the vitamin C serum, with the moisturizer, with the mask. Don't use it all together, guys. Just use one product at a time and slowly progress. Number four, take a second to look at the ingredients of vitamin C. Vitamin C works best in combination with hyaluronic acid and ferulic acid and vitamin E. A lot of formulations are made with one or a combination of these other ingredients, so just check if your serum has any of these ingredients because that's going to help with the absorption of vitamin C into your skin. L-ascorbic acid is the most potent form of vitamin C, but it is also the most unstable kind of vitamin C. So it's not always that we get an L-ascorbic acid that actually suits your skin because it goes bad, it goes rancid very, very soon. There are a whole lot of other derivatives of vitamin C like ethyl ascorbic acid, which are less potent than L-ascorbic acid, but a lot more stable. So in the course of time, you're actually getting more out of these derivative serums than the actual ascorbic acid serum. Number 5, vitamin C comes in two broad categories, the water soluble one and the anhydrous one. The anhydrous one means basically without water. The water based vitamin C's are very, very unstable and light sensitive, so these are usually packaged in dark colored bottles. And the anhydrous serums are actually more stable and they can actually take light a lot better than your water based vitamin C serums. But whatever your vitamin C serum is based out of, it's best practice to keep it in a cool, dark, dry place so that your vitamin C doesn't go bad. And the second you notice that your vitamin C has turned from a clear, light color to yellow or orange, it means that your vitamin C has oxidized. It's time to throw it away. Using an oxidized vitamin C serum doesn't really have to be harmful to your skin, but it literally does absolutely nothing to your skin. So might as well toss it out and get another one. Use your vitamin C serum in the morning, but when you use your vitamin C serum in the morning, definitely layer it underneath an SPF of at least 30. When you combine your vitamin C serum with an SPF, it works even better. This combination helps to neutralize the free radical damage that can occur because of UV light damage. This combination can neutralize free radical damage that can occur from UV light penetration. When you're layering multiple actives, this is when you can keep your vitamin C in the morning and use something else in the night so that you don't have to mix and match actives that do not do well together. We will get to that just in a couple of seconds. So that is all of our do's. Let's move on to don'ts. Do not mix your vitamin C serum with a retinol or a retinoid because both vitamin C and retinols work optimally at different pH of your skin. So it is best to apply vitamin C in the morning and your retinol at night. I do not recommend using 100% vitamin C powders that you get in the market because 100% vitamin C is damaging to your skin. You cannot really go over a prescribed amount of vitamin C. So you could be doing more harm to your skin than benefiting your skin. So just go for a well-formulated serum. Do not mix benzyl peroxide and vitamin C. Benzyl peroxide is an acne-fighting ingredient and it's there in a lot of products that are targeting acne or oily skin. So the problem is that benzyl peroxide can oxidize your vitamin C, so the absorption of vitamin C is minimized when you use them together. But if you would like to use both together, apply your benzoyl peroxide first, wait for about 10-15 minutes and then apply your vitamin C only if you have oily skin. Otherwise, apply your acne treatments on other days and your vitamin C serum on separate days. Number 3, you need to combine with caution AHAs and BHAs with vitamin C. The thing is, some skin can handle it and some skin cannot handle it. Some skin gets extremely sensitized when combined with AHAs and vitamin Cs. So if you know your skin is resilient and you can handle actives together, do this with caution. But if you have sensitive skin or if you are a beginner or if you are a teenager, just do not mix any chemical exfoliants with vitamin C. Apply them on separate nights. And finally, combine with caution is vitamin C and niacinamide. I have spoken about this wonderful combination on my channel many times before, so I'm not gonna go into detail here. At the end of the day, you do get very similar results with both of them. But once again, if you have resilient skin, if you have done this before, and you have progressed in the world of actives in skincare, you can use these together, but progress with caution. Now, let me talk about my newfound favorite vitamin C serum, guys. This one is from the Dermaco. It is 20% vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid and ferulic acid. I love the fact that this comes with ferulic acid because ferulic acid just aids the absorption of vitamin C. So all of that 20% vitamin C that is present in the serum, your skin is able to absorb. And what's even better is that this serum also contains hyaluronic acid, and that is an absolutely amazing humectant which keeps your skin plump and hydrated at the same time. And also 20% vitamin C, guys. That's a very strong concentrated serum. So you are definitely gonna get your results very quickly when you apply this serum. Apply this before your moisturizer, after cleansing your face. That's the best way to apply it. And you can definitely use this in the morning like I mentioned, but top it off with an SPF. And I also discovered the new Dermaco SPF. This is the Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel, SPF of 60 with PA+++. and I absolutely love it. It has a gorgeous primer texture. This kind of fills in my pores, makes my skin feel nice and velvety matte. It goes on so smooth on the skin and it makes my skin appear really nice. It does really well under makeup, and even on days that I do not want to wear any makeup, this gives me a beautiful velvet matte finish on my skin, takes away that oiliness and unnecessary shine, but keeps my skin looking glowy and fresh at the same time. This is ultra light and oil free, which I love, and the fragrance on this is not insane crazy. This serum, however, contains fragrance, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, this might not be the right choice for you. And if you are a beginner, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, dilute this with a little bit of moisturizer and slowly progress your way up while using this vitamin C. The derivative of vitamin C that they've used in this serum is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a highly stable and very potent derivative of vitamin C. So this is going to give you that glow. This is going to get rid of your acne spots, your hyperpigmentation. This is going to boost your collagen. So it's going to give you firmer, even toned skin and that beautiful glow. I have been using this serum for the last 3 weeks and I've seen such a massive difference in my skin. I am absolutely obsessed with this. When I prefer to use this is during the daytime by topping it off with the sunscreen, but you can also use it at nighttime. You can use it whenever you want. You can use it 2 times a day if you prefer, but I think that 20% is strong enough that I just need to use it once a day. One bottle of Dermaco's vitamin C serum contains as much vitamin C as 133 lemons. That is awesome. That's amazing. And because the serum is so potent, you need very less amount of this when you use it. You just need 3 to 5 drops of this serum for your whole face and neck. You can use my code Jovita20 to get a discount on thedermaco.com. It is also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Links are all shared in the description bar below. I also want to thank Dermaco for supporting my channel and sponsoring this portion of the video. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, if you found it helpful, please do not exit without clicking that thumbs up button just underneath this video. It really helps me out. Thank you for being here. I love you so much. Mwah! Bye. And if you haven't already, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Just saying.